Now this is a quick video just to show you what is inside the top filled satellite receiver. Now I'm just simply taking the top off. There are 5 screws that you undo, and when you've done that you simply pull it back, and then you have 3 basic PCBs. One of them on the left hand side is the power unit that I'm removing now. That's the power unit, a switch mode power unit. Now I'm going to move the satellite decoder. There are a few screws that holds it in place. And there's a nut that holds the LNB F socket on, where the input for the satellite is. Now this is the on-off button. There is you can pull it out by simply squeezing the sides. Now it's about 3 screws that hold the satellite board in place. It's quite rusty, purely because it's been outside for some time. Now I'm going to move the front, as you can see what I'm doing now, and the LED panel. And there it is. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this, then please share, like and subscribe. There are more DIY videos on my channel if you want to have a look.